Alright everybody, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here on this lovely Sunday afternoon. What I got going on today, so I'm having issues with the S2000. I've been having issues. I'm gonna work on it today to see if I can resolve those issues. So what is going on, basically I have my radio. When turn off the car, it's staying on and it doesn't shut off. I don't know why. I'm gonna figure out why. The car turns on, the battery's good, so I don't know why. I'm trying to figure out why. This fuse blew. And we can see it. Let me see. This fuse blew, and so I can't really show you guys, but it stays on. Doesn't want to turn off. I'm trying to figure out why. I have all my, take out the wiring. I'm gonna clean up the wiring a bit, not for this one, but for the back, because I feel like there's a short or a circuit, like something's going on back here that's not really letting, it's fucking everything up basically, in a sense. Oh shit. So I feel like there's something back here that it's getting, why is my camera not focusing? Alright, so like I was saying, I think there's something back here where it's not like letting it focus. It's fucking it up, sorry, the camera wasn't focusing. So that's why I got the word focus in my head. But there's something back here that's not letting this turn off. There's like a short or a circuit somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all the wiring for the base, for the sub, for the air tank, make sure everything's right, because I do have it just kind of thrown around out back here, which is not good. And I have to make sure everything's working fine. So I'm gonna look up the diagram for the little breaker and whatnot, make sure that's good. And then I also got this cool light, or this light on eBay. It's like a little rectangular third brake light. I've always liked that third brake light at the bottom of the cars. I might go ahead and put that on today too, if there's enough time. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all the wiring and make sure everything's nice and tucked and make it look nice and purty, because right now it ain't really looking that too cute. So go ahead and get it done. Alright, so I took off my tank and a second and I already found the problem. So as you guys can see, I have most of these wires fucking exposed. Like when I would do this shit, I really don't give a fuck, and I'm just like whatever. And I know the fucking potentialness of what can happen and all this other bullshit. And I've come to learn how to do more proper fucking wiring because of work. And basically what happened was, I was just taking everything apart, and then I fucking like try taking this one off right here, this one off, and then it's like melted to this one, and I'm assuming it caused some kind of fucking, I don't know what. And oh, I can still feel it. I just felt it on. I just shocked myself. Hopefully I didn't blow anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect all this. Actually, let's turn off the battery. Let's do that first. Let's do that. Oh, fucking do that. I forgot to do that. That'd be a pretty smart idea. Let's do that real quick, like right there. This is also the fucking this is let's see, this is the one obviously to the bro, look at that. Holy fuck, what's going on in there? I don't know if you guys can see that shit. God damn. Look at that. don't know if you guys can see it. Look at that. So I guess there's one of our problems. So I found the problem. That was easy. So let's go ahead and get all this fucking wiring, like go ahead and get this wiring situated, get it all nice and neat, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up, look at some diagrams for this fuse right here so I know it's better, make all this good. I'm gonna take this carpet out in the back because I think I'm gonna lay some carpet in the back and put this back there because I seen an S2000 with that. And then yeah, let's continue on. And I just saw this right now too. I don't know if you guys can see that. It might have made contact with that right there. That right there's a ground, so could also fuck that shit up. Gosh, what a fucking mess. Hopefully it didn't. I don't think it would have fucked this up, but we'll see. Missing someone. Love is all you want. Missing someone. Love is hard. How much you miss it. And you miss it. Alright everybody, I got everything wired up. Now it's for the moment of truth. We're gonna see if this works. Let's turn on the car. It's on. Radio is on. All that's on. See if the amp is on. Alright, so now what it was doing originally, it was not turning off. The radio was not turning off. So let's go ahead and turn off the car and then it should come off. If not, then fuck. Airing up a little bit. There we go. Boom, there we go, you fucking bitch ass little bitch. Sorry guys. See if it turns on. It's on. Look at that. Hell yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and tuck everything, make sure everything's nice and pretty without any of the wires touching, inspect everything, make sure everything's fine. This is good. So I did want to install this like third or fourth brake light, I guess you could say, right here, like so. The thing is, I'd have to drill through. I'd have to figure out a way to get through for the wiring, to get these wires through and up everywhere, but can't really figure it out. I had to drill through the diffuser because I can't put it in through it. I don't want to put it in through there because I could essentially rotate it. Let me see. Alright, so I was gonna leave this for next time. I really didn't want to do it right now. Or like, I was trying to think of how I could do it, but I'm just gonna be like, fuck it, I'm gonna drill a hole through these two So hopefully I can get it. It's long enough to go through both the bumper and the diffuser, and then I'm gonna mount it right here. Try to figure out the wiring right now, and then yeah, this more likely probably hopefully the black to a ground, and then I'll find something in the lights and get it in there, and let's see how it goes. So that's the light right there. Let's keep going. Let's see, I want to see how I feel about it. Let's keep going. Alright, so I got it all mocked up. The wires are just like whatever. I haven't officially ran them through except one, but watch this. I'll go ahead and turn on the lights. Boom, check that out. You can barely see it to show it off at night. Alright, so I installed the fourth brake light. I'm trying to see how I feel about it. I'm not 100% sure yet. But I'm gonna come back out at night, turn it on so you guys can see how it looks at night, and I can see how it looks at night. But I'm still trying to see how I feel about it. You know, it's just one of those things where you picture it in your head. You think it'll look better, but you're just not sure. You try it, and it's like, I'm not sure. So, we'll see how it goes. Alright. So, this is how the light's looking at night. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it don't look too bad. It's not gonna be there, of course. I just haven't really ran it through. What do you think? How do you think it looks? Don't look too bad, huh? It's cool. It's cool. I think I'm starting to feel it more. But I don't know how I feel about it when it's clear. Like maybe I'll tint it red. Like that red tint.
Yeah.
But
I have the pink one.
so I just went for a drive in the car because I had to get my monitors ready, my O2, my cat monitors ready, because I had to take them off originally, and then that messed up for the smog. When I went to go get it, they said it wasn't ready, so it wasn't reading. So I had to go do that. And well, basically, so I had to go do that. Drove around for a little bit. They turned on. They're good to go. I'm gonna go get smog tomorrow. But this is because I didn't show this last time. But these are the lights. How they're looking. Oh, that's okay. Yeah. How they're looking. The ones I switched out. They look good. Not too shabby. Not too trying to. So. Okay. They're looking pretty good. So anyways, everything's good to go. I got all that ready. Tomorrow I'll go get that smog, and then we should be good to go to get started with the turbo series. The third brake light, or the fourth, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But for now, that's that. Disconnect everything. It felt really good driving it around for a while. I miss it. I miss her. She drives like a champ. Everybody was like, I was on the road, everybody was like, nice car. I was like, yeah, but it looks like shit. I have two different wheels on, and then two of the other wheels. So it's not looking the greatest, but anyways, there we go. The battery's not dead anymore. radio isn't staying on. Good to go for smog. Pretty excited about this. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.